Hey, how's it going? This is Andrew, CEO and co-founder of Docs.dev. And today we're talking about purpose-built AI models. I actually met the founder of this company called Jigsaw Stack, and it was actually pretty intriguing. Is instead of like using a general purpose foundational model like from OpenAI or Anthropic, it seems this is more like specifically focused like models like text to speech, translation, web search. So on today's run, the docs, we're going to be checking this out. So let's get started. So let's read some documentation here. Just jump in. Jigsaw Stack. Suite of custom small models plugged into the right infrastructure to power your AI applications. See some Node.js here, which is awesome. We need to create an account and retrieve an API key. Pretty straightforward. And then here's the Node.js quick start. Like how, again, they're reminding you to create an account, get an API key. Oh, they even support button. That's awesome. Okay. So let's just jump into it. Let's create a Jigsaw Stack account. And so run the docs. And okay. Oh yeah, this looks pretty straightforward. So we just have to npm install Jigsaw Stack. And then I guess like one I think is sort of fun is there's like web scraper who text to speech seems sort of cool. So why don't we try? Okay. Guess I'm just having to put through what do we do with the wrong? Oh, web search. Nice. Hey. I'm not sure what we'd do with the audio block, to be honest. So that voice one sound cool, but I'm not sure what we would get from that. So I'm going to start with this one first. Learn how to use Jigsaw Stack's web search API to access high-quality search results with built-in geo search capabilities. The web search API provides access to high-quality search results with built-in AI overviews, metadata, geospatial search capabilities. Okay, let's try this out. First, I'm gonna create a new project. I'll just do npm init. I think I saw in the docs it was just Jigsaw. Okay, and then we're just gonna touch index.js. And then I think I'm gonna go. I know this is like the API key we have here. I don't think. I think this is actually my API key. Oh, interesting. So coding needed. Well, that's actually really cool. So how do we do this? I'm gonna just create a touch.get more. Oh yeah, it's over here. And then yeah, let's get to it. Touch maybe call this the Jigsaw Stack. Yeah, Jigsaw Stack. And then I think I'm gonna leave npm install UV. Okay. Then this one I just do. I just require what is it? .env config. I totally forgot. I think that's just it. Do this. Just process. Sometimes auto completions are just guessing what the name will be. Jigsaw API key. Here's the ones for the tab. Sure. Okay. I think the one we want to try actually the web search. Okay, so I'm actually going to pause this real quick so I can get the actual real API key. Second. Okay, so I think I've added the API key, so let's check this out. Let's do this. Oh, you know what? I think this looks like this is going to be like module. I think I actually have to change that real quick. I think I have to change this to import a. I think this should just work now. Let's try. Jigsaw. Right. Guess maybe I do have to do that. Yay, pretty cool. Capital of France. It is. It's pretty nice. Oh, looks like there's one thing here with geolocation. So actually, why don't we do this? It's actually pretty cool. Let's see. Actually, I can't do this. Let's see what we got. We got our links here. Oh, we got some images. 10 free, and then we got our specific groups here. This is useful, but I know there's links. And then what is this? Okay, let's take a whole look. Best new AI tools. Image generation, mid-journey, notebook LM, complexity, feed hive, graphic design, project management. Huh. This is pretty interesting. You could actually build sort of like a recommendation system or like, citations here I think pretty well. So yeah, this is really easy to get started. Cool. Text to see. Then why don't we try the VCR as well? Let's see. And this is, we'll take a look at a ninja, I think. Oh, now save it. Oh, wait, yep. I heard this. I heard console art, the result. Yes. Yeah, this one's, I'm not too quite sure of. Hmm. But it was pretty cool. So there's a lot of purpose driven models. So like here, oh, I know. Why don't we try chain some of these together? First, I'll generate an image. I'll just say cool robots. Let's see if there's a response. So maybe there's a way that I can just do file response. Throw it together. File. Oh, I see. I put the file name. So, your file name. String options. I feel like it's a little bit cheating, but I might just do this as like tests image PNG. Let's see. Sport. File image facts. Okay, maybe we'll try one more text translation. It's pretty cool where you have all these different like use cases here. So when you think about it, I just sort of zoomed by a bunch of different use cases here. Jigsaw Stack is not defined. Last time. Let's do it at the top here. Very interesting. Please. See. Okay, I think I see it here. Oh, okay. So it's .text. It's pretty cool though. So I guess I can say, like, how do I say this in French? I don't know. Super cool. So this has been Run Your Docs here. So I think we just did 3 or 4 different use cases, then like 15 minutes ish. So really easy to get started with Jigsaw. I'll definitely reach out let the team know that like, hey, there's a couple like code blocks that need to be updated. But other than that, getting started was super painless and easy. Thanks.